Hi everybody, Thelindabradley here from Princess House, your favorite layaway bundler. So I have a layaway for you tonight, and this one is called Tools to Use. So I know a lot of you have been collecting Princess House over the years, and you have a lot of the mainstays. You know, you have your cookware and different things, but the set tonight is going to have all the little things that you're missing inside that I think that you're going to really enjoy. And so it's just called Tools to Use. Some of the items are hard to get. They're not normally in the regular catalog, and some of them are special just for you. First off, I'm going to start with one of my favorite pieces, and this is the 14-inch non-stick deep. You can see how nice and deep it is, skillet. This one is not in the regular catalog. We don't sell it. It's a special right now. Now I have to tell you that you can see how nice and big this is, right? You can see how deep it is. It's almost like a wok. It's great for your larger meals. And this one is actually a 12-inch. The one that you're going to get is a 14-inch. We don't normally carry either one of them in the regular catalog. So I'm so excited to be able to bring this to you. When you make your big family meals, you are going to definitely love this item. So that is first on my list for you. All right, another item that we have in the stainless steel collection is the 3-quart Tri-ply, and this is a nice size. You know, we have a lot of pots that are really big, and everybody always asks us for the smaller sizes. So this is 3 quarts. You can see that it has the handles on the side, it has the soup spats, the pouring spats, and the lid is a straining lid. So macaroni and cheese, here we come. You can strain it right into the sink. 3 quarts is a really nice size that you can use every day. Not too big and not too small. Speaking of every day, on this side of the table, I'm going to have the items that you will use constantly. Our utensils are incredible. They have a stainless steel base, and then they're a silicone. And what's nice about the silicone is if you have plastic utensils, you know it, because they burn, they warp, they peel, they're terrible, they melt. These are heat resistant up to 375 degrees, and they stay like this. They're a really, really nice feel, and you're going to love using them. So this has, the collection is going to have a pasta fork in here. It's going to have a couple of different spoons. It's going to have a slotted spoon as well, and then it has the tongs. And I like these as well because if you can see them, right, they have holes in them, so they're great for straining when you're picking things up. But on the end, they have the silicone, so you can use them in non-stick pans. These 5 utensils are going to come in this is a rotating utensil holder so that you can turn it on your counter and have everything that you need. That's a tool that you will definitely appreciate. Another tool that you'll love to use are the cutting boards. These come in a set of 2, and you'll see that they're color-coded. Green is for the vegetables and blue is for the meats. And there's 3 knives as well, and the same thing, they are color-coded. So you take the blue knife and you use it with the blue board. Now these knives are very light. If you have arthritis or anything like that with your hands, these are the knives that you want to use because they're very light. They have a foam handle that's very easy to hold. You're going to see that they're dark, and that's because they have a non-stick finish, so they will easily slice through your cheese, your tomatoes, but it won't stick. So there's 3 different knives, and they do come with the sheaths, so you can put them either in if you have a knife block, or you can use them just in your drawer with the sheaths. So there's 3 different ones. There's the one for the meat, there's a Santoku knife for your vegetables, and then there's a serrated knife that's great for fruit, citrus, and it's also good for bread, anything like that. So these are the ones that stay on your counter, and you use them all of the time. Speaking of using all of the time, have you seen our 4-in-1 Immersion Blender? This is one of my favorite tools to use because you can use it for so many things and it saves you so much time and space. So it's very strong. It has a very powerful motor. This is the attachment that has the food processor. So you can use this to chop nuts. When I bake, I use it all the time. You can use it to chop carrots, to chop celery. It's really easy to change these as well. You literally just put them on and twist them, and then they're on. The second attachment is a whip, and you're going to use this for pancake batter or eggs or homemade, what's it called? Whipped cream. And then you have the blender. It does come with the vessel, so you can go ahead and use it to make your smoothies. I've made homemade mayonnaise, homemade hummus, homemade pesto. And then last but not least, we actually have the masher. So this is good for your mashed potatoes. So this is called the 4-in-1 Immersion Blender, and it's great, especially if you don't have a lot of room in your kitchen for the big blender. That works so well. And then I have two pieces that are not in the regular catalog. Let me see if I can slide this one through. And they're only available for a very, very short time. The first one is the Fantasia. We call this the Lasagna Dish. It is a 6-quart baker. I'm going to take the lid off so that you can see it. Now the lid is BPA-free plastic, so the lid doesn't go in the oven, but this is made out of that borosilicate glass, so it's oven safe and microwave safe and dishwasher safe and refrigerator safe and freezer safe. I love the fact that it has the lid because I can make my dinners up ahead of time, put the lid on it, and then transport it anywhere where I need to go, or when you have leftovers, they can go right back in the refrigerator. But this is big. It holds 6 quarts. So you can use this for so many different things. I've even used it when I'm just bringing like fruit, right, to a picnic. I'll put all my fruit in here. Again, you can see just how nice and big this is. 6 quarts is a really nice size. And in that same theme, in the Fantasia, we have the Fantasia Fresh. These are the set of the 2 1-cup containers and the 2 2-cup containers in the red tops. Normally these are green, so this is again a very special time. They have the little, you can hear it, a vent at the very top. That's the last thing that you push when you close it, and it keeps your foods really fresh. It's like airtight. Sometimes it's even hard to get the lids off. But again, you can use these in all different manners, and you can use that vent to go in the microwave. This is the 2-cup size, perfect for taking leftovers to work. This is the 1-cup size. This is perfect for your smaller amounts. I use these all the time for when you have just a little bit left over. It's great for dips or tuna fish or toddler meals. So this is what this set includes. I'm just going to go over it again real quick. You're going to get the 14-inch nonstick skillet. You're going to get the set of 2 1-cup and 2 2-cups in the Fantasia Fresh. You're going to get the Tri-ply 3-quart straining saucepan, the Immersion Blender 4-in-1, the Lasagna Dish, the 5 utensils and the rotating utensil holder, the 2 cutting boards, and the 3 knives. So you want to reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and this is how this package works. This package actually saves you over $600. Right now, when you buy this package, it will be a grand total of just $563.08. You can start with a $145 deposit and then make 10 payments of just $41.84 each. We can ship anywhere in the United States. It ships once it's paid in full, and you can change those payment arrangements. So if you want to pay in full right now, we can do it. If you want to make 4 payments, you can do that, however you want to work it. So just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will hook you up. In this package, this item here, the 14-inch, the Lasagna Dish, the 1 and the 2-cup Fantasia Fresh, and the 3-cup Tri-ply are not available in the regular catalog. So you want to grab it while you can. All right? Thank you as always for joining. Please follow me on my page and subscribe so that you never miss another special. All right? I will see you next time.